What if I told you that an AI-powered YouTube channel is making $5,000 per month? Yes, that's right. AI is not just the future. It's already changing the game. And in today's video, I'll break down exactly how this channel is doing it, so you can do it too. Hey everyone! Welcome to Next Gen AI Auto, the ultimate destination where AI meets creativity. Here, we bring stories to life, automate the impossible, and explore the cutting edge of AI-powered animations, automation, and innovation. From breathtaking AI-generated animations to mind-blowing automation hacks, we're diving deep into the future of storytelling and technology. Get ready for exciting projects, AI-powered cartoons, and futuristic automation that will leave you amazed.
Open the browser and go to ChatGPT. Type the following prompt for the story that you want to create. I'm creating an AI animated story titled Childhood Summer Holidays. The script should include narrations and image prompts for key scenes. Each image prompt should be simple, visually descriptive, and detailed enough to create vivid and immersive visuals. Every prompt must end with the phrase, Style, 3D pixel animated cartoon. After entering this, wait for the response. Next, give the character names that you want spell them. And again, wait for the response. If any changes are needed, please suggest them. If necessary, make any changes or request modifications. Carefully review the response. Ensure that both the narration and image prompts are included. The narration should be engaging, immersive, and well-structured, capturing the essence of childhood summer holidays in the village. The image prompts should be clear, detailed, and visually descriptive, ensuring they can be used effectively for AI-generated images. Each image prompt must end with Style, 3D pixel animated / cartoon to maintain the required animation style. Verify the quality of image prompts. Check if the prompts describe essential visual elements such as characters, environment, lighting, colors, and actions happening in each scene. Ensure they provide enough information for AI tools to generate accurate and high-quality images. If any prompts are vague or lack necessary details, modify them or request ChatGPT to refine them further. Make necessary changes or modifications. If something is missing or needs improvement, adjust the narration or image prompts accordingly. Ensure consistency between the narration and the visual prompts so that they align well. If ChatGPT's response doesn't fully meet your expectations, rephrase your request or ask for more details. Proceed to the next step. Once the narration and image prompts are finalized and meet your expectations, move on to generating images. Use the AI tool, Pixelman, to create visuals based on the image prompts. Input each image prompt into Pixelman and generate high-quality images that match the story's scenes. Next, open the browser and search for Pixelman to create images. Click on the first link to start generating images from text. On the website, you'll see that I have already created some images using text prompts. Now, go to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and paste it into the prompt box in Pixelman. Since we are making images for YouTube, select the 16:9 aspect ratio for the best fit. I am choosing 2 aspects, which means it will generate 2 images at once. After that, click on Generate and wait for the images to be created. Piclumen is a free tool where you can generate 3D animated or cartoon-style images for stories, rhymes, and more. Once the images are ready, see how I created many images for my story creation previously. Once the image are generated, you can download which one is best for your video creation. I am going to select the best one for my story. Once the images are ready, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next image prompt, and paste it into Piclumen. Repeat the process to generate all required images. Wait for the images to load, and continue until you have everything needed for the project. If you want the next image by continuing the first image, you can copy the speed of the first image that I am showing in this video. Give the speed number in second image additional settings as shown in the video, and continue the process to generate the image. After the image generation, you can download which one is best for the story. After completing the image creation in Piclumen, we are now moving to the next exciting step, creating a video from the 3D animated images using Hailuo AI. This step will bring our images to life and make the story even more engaging. Steps to create a video in Hailuo AI. Open your browser and type Hailuo AI in the search bar. Click on the first link to access the official website. Once the website loads, you will see a home page with an Upload Image option. Click on Upload Image and select the downloaded images from Piclumen that you want to convert into a video. After uploading the images, click on Generate to start creating the video. About Hailuo AI's free credit system. Hailuo AI offers 1,100 free credits, which allow you to create up to 50 videos. These credits are sufficient for multiple projects. However, if you need more, you have two options. Purchase additional credits to unlock more features. Create a new account to get another 1,100 free credits, allowing you to generate another 50 videos for free. Hailuo AI is a powerful tool for transforming static images into animated videos. Once you get comfortable using it, you can explore premium features for even better results. For now, I am using free credits to generate videos from images. This method is cost-effective and beginner-friendly, allowing us to create engaging 3D animated videos without spending money up front. Wait for the video generation to complete. If needed, adjust the settings to enhance the video quality. Download the final video and review the results. Now, let's bring our 3D animated images to life and move forward with video creation.
Dreams of the days when he'll see her shine, but he's lost in the crowd, never knows she's mine. Oh, love is a game, but I'm losing tonight, chasing a dream that's just out of sight.
So it will take some more time to generate a video from image, so wait for the video generation. Meanwhile, it is widely used for creating animations from images, generating high-quality AI-driven motion effects, enhancing storytelling with lifelike animations, turning static characters into animated scenes. This tool is ideal for creating cartoons, educational videos, rhymes, short films, and more. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or storyteller, Hailuo AI simplifies video animation without requiring any professional skills. Finally, the generated video is here. and download the video.
Oh, love is a game, but I'm losing tonight. I'm head over heels.
Last step, finalizing the video in CapCut. The final step is here. In CapCut, we are going to combine all the elements, images, videos, background music, and audio, to create a complete YouTube video. We will add background music to enhance the storytelling experience, audio narration for a more engaging video, video clips and images in one frame, effects and transitions to make the video smooth and visually appealing. You can choose different effects and transitions that match your video style to make it more engaging. Once everything is in place, export the final video, and it will be ready for YouTube. Enjoyed this AI-powered animated story? Let's bring more creativity to life together. Like this video if you love the AI-generated animation. Subscribe to our channel for more unique AI-created stories and animations. Comment below and let us know what story you'd like to see next. Want to learn how to create AI-powered videos like this? Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes content and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an AI-powered creation. Let's explore the magic of AI together. See you in the next video.